Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to save Instagram draft reels to your iPhone gallery. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap the plus icon and select reel. Open your draft, select the reel you want to save. Before playing the reel, swipe down and turn on screen recording. Now play the reel full screen. Once the reel finishes, stop the screen recording. Your video will be automatically saved in your iPhone Photos app. Instagram does not allow direct downloading of draft reels. Avoid third-party apps or website claiming to download drafts. They are unsafe. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.